it's Jordan Byers, and today I'm wearing blue contacts because she a new woman. She is in her feels. I am feeling this year. This freaking year, let me tell you, is my year. All right, listen, write this down. This is my year and I'm feeling it, okay? So I don't know like what's gotten into me, but I'm feeling this year so hard right now. Can't explain it, but this is my year, and yeah, let's get into the video. So I'm a little bit sick right now, so please forgive me for the nasally congested type of sounding voice that I've got going on right now. She's still trying to be cute. She's still trying to be beat. I'm so freaking upset right now because I just filmed this whole portion of me putting on this beautiful blue eyeshadow and my camera died and deleted the footage. So we're backtracking. We're using the Norvina palette right now, and I just dove straight into this blue shade right here called Soul. And then I started blending it out with this volatile shade right here. This, it's like a cool brown color, and it was a little bit patchy, so I decided to just go ham in the blue shade and blend that like crazy all over the place. So it's starting to look better, but yeah, just filling you in, okay? Okay, filling you in because my camera decided to be a little booty pop, and yeah, not really a fan of that one. But I freaking need to use this shimmer color right up here called Dreamer, and I'm just gonna pop this as my brow bone highlight. Yes, it's blinding. That's what we wanted. Oh, that glow, that freaking brow bone. Oh, I'm gonna go ahead and put on my face makeup really quick because I'm about to hit the lower lash line. I'm so freaking curious about the Huda Beauty Pound, oh wait, no, that's the shade. Pound Cake is the shade, but it's the Easy Bake Loose Powder. And to be honest, the whole controversy with this powder, I really don't agree with. I think it's not cool to steal Beauty Bakery's concept, but I'm so curious about this powder that I had to try it out and let you guys know my thoughts. But to be honest, like, stealing somebody's concept is not freaking cool. So that's my stance on that. But first of all, this packaging, I like that it has a little, it's got like a little mesh net on the top so that the powder, you know, kind of stays in there a little bit. So I'm dipping my microfiber sponge in here, and I'm gonna bake my under eyes, and then I'm also going to bake under where I'm going to be putting my contour. So I really don't bake for a long time because I have super dry skin. So I'm just going to pack the excess into my skin and get the rest of my foundation set. My face foundation, like my face makeup looks so flawless right now. I'm actually shocked. Like, wow. Wow, sis snapped. Alrighty, we're gonna go back into the Norvina palette and finish off the lower lash line. So I'm gonna drag that same purple shade down, but I really wanna get into this pink shade called Love and blend that in there as well. All right, so now that I dragged that purpley bluey shade down there just a little bit, I'm gonna take this pink shade and kind of do a little bit of a pink transition down here. And for the pop in the center of my lid, I'm going to take this beautiful shade called Wild Child, but first I'm gonna lay down some more of that P. Louise base just to give it a good something to stick to.
No time for games. I'm a damn girl man. My pink challenge. My pink challenge. My pink challenge.
So now that I have that done, I'm gonna go back in with that Dreamer color, and I'm gonna pop this on my inner corner. All right, so lashes are finally on. I feel really stinking shapoppin' in this look, not gonna lie. Like, Sis snapped. Okay. Anyways, let's move on and try out the Dream Glow Kit by ABH. Okay, from first impressions, it looks like all of these shades are very glittery, which excites the crap out of me. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch some of these because... Oh shoot. Oh shoot, man. Whoa. Oh gosh. These are not playing around. Hold up. Oh my gosh. So definitely swatching them, they look a ton different in a swatch than they do in the pan. So like they definitely look more wearable, if that's even possible, in a swatch, or I guess more wearable for somebody like me who likes to be extra as frick and pop off literally all the time. I think I'm gonna dabble in a bunch of them. Like we're just gonna see what's happening here. Oof. Wow. See, a lot of people aren't into glittery highlighters, but I am definitely one of those people that love a good glittery highlighter. So this is this shade right here called Magic, and oh my frick, that's beautiful. Let's go and put some of this ethereal color on too. This is stunning. She's a whole new woman. She's a whole freaking new woman. So I just plopped some of this sunshine color on my Cupid's bow. It's so cute. I'm obsessed. Like this is gonna be my new go-to palette, because holy moly, I'm freaking down. Okay, let's go with Regal. We're gonna do this on the bridge. Yes. This is everything. Holy crap. Okay, moving on to lips. I'm gonna try out, okay, this is not new to Anastasia, whatever the heck. This is just their lip primer, and I've never tried like an actual lip primer that's in a stick, so I thought I would try this one out. So let's see what it does. So it does feel like it filled in some of the lines on my lips, but time will tell, and I'm going to pop on some CoverGirl lipstick and the Patrick Star and MAC lip gloss, and then we'll see what the lippers look like after that. All right, you guys, so let's talk about our final thoughts on the few products that I used. I ended up not going, whoa, my chair, oh gosh, almost fell out. I ended up not going in with the Patrick Star MAC palette, or MAC summer collection, because I was just so into the new ABH products that were out. So let me know if you guys want me to do a dedicated video on that, or put that in a different video, or review it on my Insta story, or what. Let me know, your girl will do. So let's do a quick rundown of the products we used today. So from the shades that I did end up using, this look came out beautiful, and I'm so into it. But I definitely didn't get to experiment with a lot of the matte shades in this palette, so those could definitely be a hit or miss type thing. But for first impressions wise, I'm really into it. I think this blue color is the star of the freaking show. What do you call it, like periwinkle? It's like a periwinkle color. Star of the show, that's for sure. And then moving on to the Huda Beauty powder, I hate to say it because I'm not like... I'm not condemning, or I'm not saying it's okay what they did, but the powder is really good. Like, there's no creasing in my under eyes. My forehead is smooth. My face is smooth. It looks really good, you guys. It looks really good, and I really like the packaging on this with the little net right here. That is so convenient, so the powder doesn't just come flying out like the top, you know what I mean? So far like that too, first impressions wise. And then, holy crap, the star of the show. The star of the freaking show is this ABH Dream Glow Kit. If you do not have a glow kit, and you like blinding, glittery, colorful glows, get this right now. You need this in your life. This is beautiful. I'm so obsessed with this. Ah. And last but not least, this lip primer. I don't think this is necessarily worth it because I could just put on like a chapstick or like a lip oil instead. That would do the exact same thing, and this low-key just felt like chapstick to me. So I mean, I get my Blistex at Target for $2, so I'm probably gonna stick with that. But anyways, thank you guys so much for getting ready with me. I had so much fun filming this. I'm really like, I feel really cute. Like, I feel really cute. So thank you guys again for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below to become part of the #Joby squad. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.